Hello, everyone. Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today, I'm going to show you what is and how to use the concept customer experience or CX. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, when we talk about customer experience, we're basically talking about a concept of experience, and it got the following characteristic. Customer experience is the product of a customer perception after interact rationally, physically, emotionally, or psychologically with any part of a company. How a company relate to its customers in all aspects of their journey purchasing process, from marketing to sales and customer service through every intermediate point. Among the functions and responsibilities of the persons in charge of the customer experience are customer knowledge, develop tools and methodologies to understand the different types of customers, and analyze the experience they have and what they live in the company. Measurement and management of the voice of the customers is also very important. So customer experience is extremely important because basically tries to understand why people buy my product, how they interact, and how can I develop a strategy to make him loyal to my brand. Before we start, if you like what we do, if you like our channel, if you like our project, please subscribe. It really helps us a lot to keep growing. Turn on the bell, subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. If you want to participate in promoting our channel, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay, so customer experience, it's sometimes confused with user experience. When we talk about user experience, we're really talking about usability between a product and a user, the interaction that the user got, all the visual design, all the design strategy. Of course, you have to, if you use a user-centered design, you have to make research about your user, and of course, all the interaction and interface. The idea here is that the product or service that you develop understand the needs of the user, and also that you can create something that is focused on improving someone's life. However, when we talk about customer experience, it's different. Why? Because sometimes the customers is not the same user. For example, a baby. A baby is the user of diapers, of toys. However, they are not the customer. They don't purchase. They don't buy it. So when we talk about customer experience, we're talking about the product. We are talking about the customer service. We're talking about the advertising. And I come back to the same thing about buying the product. Because if, for example, a kid wants something, the advertisement, of course, it will work for him. However, if the parent doesn't like that, they will not purchase, and that is very important. The brand reputation is extremely important because develop brand reputation takes a lot of time. It's something that is very deep. It's something that requires a lot of different components, and you can develop the reputation of your brand for a lot of years. However, in the future, there's a strong possibility that you lose that because you can make mistakes. The experience of the customer is extremely important. Of course, I need to develop something that is quick to do and easy to develop for the user and the customer. Sometimes the customer is the same users. That could happen a lot of times. However, sometimes that doesn't happen. Logistic and deliver is extremely important. If I make a commitment of give the product a specific day, I have to be willing to deliver on time. So the customer experience is very important because it's focusing on the purchasing process. and why people will repurge and why people will do it again. So it's extremely important because the user can be the customer, but sometimes don't. So it's very important to understand the experience of both, especially when they are not the same. And I need to deliver what I'm willing to say that I can do. As a conclusion, we can say that the objective of the customer is to develop loyalty to the brand. If I'm willing to give and develop loyalty from the customer, it will be very helpful. This is a iterative process and continuous improvement. It means that today my customers could be loyal to my brand. However, I need to keep working on that because someday they could change. So I have to be very aware of that and keep innovating and making my process of purchasing my product or my service better. It is essential to understand that the technological tools and incorporating into the strategy. That is extremely important because I could have a really good product, a really good service. However, people doesn't know that exist. So what can I do? What can I do is to start thinking and promoting what I'm doing. That could be very helpful. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Remember that every week we have new content. You can follow us on social media. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.